Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody who are watching this video. I am Mr. P. Rajendra Bhanuteja. Welcome to Hypertrix channel. With this video, I am going to give brief regarding the TCS NQT 2022 examination. That is the syllabus analysis, strategies to crack, how to use rough work, on-screen calculator, do's and don'ts during and post the examination. Actually, this is very important because due to COVID situations, many of us or many of the student pick a option called remote. That is, we have to write the examination on our own. So we have to know what are the do's and don'ts which you have to keep in mind during the examination and post the examination. Without any delay, let's dive into the video. Yes, coming to this TCS is going to organize a national level qualifier test every year with the two profiles. That is, one is Ninja and second one is digital. If you consider Ninja, the package is 3.5 lakhs per annum, and if you consider digital, it is 7 to 8 lakhs per annum, depending upon the performance of the student. It is a multi-level assessment exam to recruit the freshers by identifying their skills. Those are nothing but the cognitive skills. So, in order to guess or in order to identify their cognitive skills, the exam comprises of cognitive tasks. That is, they are going to check on arithmetic, next verbal, reasoning, and technical skills of each and every student by conducting this examination. This score is valid for 2 years. See, this year 8,000 plus vacancies are there with TCS NQT for both digital and Ninja profile. Last date for applying the exam is 29th August and date of the exam is from 12th of September 2021. See, coming to the syllabus, we have verbal ability 24 questions 30 minutes, reasoning ability 30 questions 50 minutes, numerical ability 26 questions 40 minutes, and programming logic 10 questions 15 minutes. This is nothing but multiple choice questions MCQs, and hands-on coding 1 question 15 minutes, hands-on coding 2 1 question 30 minutes. Actually, we have to execute two codes or at least one code without any errors, or two partial executions are entertained to select us in this written test. Total 92 questions 180 minutes, and that is approximately 2 minutes for each and every question. 2 minutes for each and every question. Now, coming to this numerical ability syllabus pattern, it is probability 1 to 2 questions medium, permutation combination 1 question medium, number system 1 question medium, clocks and calendar 0 to 1 question medium, percentages 0 to 1 question high, time speed and distance 0 to 1 question medium, series and progressions 1 to 2 questions high, time and work 0 to 1 medium, ratio proportion averages 1 question medium, allegation mixture 1 question medium, arrangement and series 1 to 2 questions high, geometry 2 questions high, reasoning 2 questions medium, equations 0 to 1 question medium. These are the topics on which the numerical ability is going to concentrate with. Next, coming to the reasoning ability, meaning word creation 1 to 2 questions medium, number series 2 to 3 questions medium, blood relations 1 to 2 questions medium, coding decoding 1 to 2 questions medium, ages 1 to 2 questions high, data sufficiency 1 to 2 questions medium, seating arrangement easy 1 to 2 questions low, seating arrangement complex, that is puzzles 1 to 2 questions high, odd man out 1 to 2 questions medium, distance and direction 1 to 2 questions medium, Statement and conclusion 1 to 2 questions high. Analogy 1 to 2 questions high. Mathematical or operational arrangement 1 to 2 questions medium. Symbols and notations 1 to 2 questions medium. These are the topics with which the reasoning ability is going to concentrate. Next, coming to verbal ability syllabus pattern. Close test 1 to 2 questions medium. Grammar 1 to 2 questions medium. Sentence completion 1 to 2 questions medium. Sentence ordering 0 to 1 medium. Passage ordering 0 to 1 medium. Reading comprehension 1 with medium. Sorry, the passage is of high priority. That is difficulty is high. Error identification 1 to 2 questions medium. Error correction 1 to 2 questions medium. Best expresses synonym 0 to 1 high. Spellings 1 to 2 high. Synonyms 1 to 2 medium. Word selection 0 to 1 medium. These are the topics covered under verbal ability. Next, coming to programming logic syllabus. Variables and function 1 question medium. C. Input output 2 questions medium. Command line 1 question medium. Stack queue arrays 1 to 2 questions high. Tree graphs 2 questions high. Linked list and greedy 1 to 2 questions high. From these topics only, two programming questions, and along with MCQ questions are going to ask. Okay, coming to the strategies. Preparation is at most important. Preparation is at most important to crack any of the examination, and along with the preparation, we have to attempt more and more mock tests because so to save the time and in order to observe the time calculation, we should write more mock tests. Next, the selecting of right question is very important. Okay, if it is easy, try to select those and try to answer. Next, attempting of star mark. Actually, TCS is going to offer high level question with the star marks. So the person who is going to attempt these more star mark questions with a correct in answer have the chance to select in the examination. Next, usage of calculator and rough sheet is at most important. Next, coming to the cutoff, this cutoff depends upon the top mark of the student, and there is no negative marking. There is no negative marking in the examination, so you can have the chance to answer each and every question. Next, usage of rough work. TCS is not going to entertain you people to look here and there. That's why usage of rough sheet plays a vital role. Covering of face with rough sheet is not entertained. Next, looking down away from the camera is not entertained. Correct method to use rough sheet is by looking the camera and by showing the camera to the rough sheet. You may have the chance to use the rough work like this in order to avoid the elimination from the examination. Next, coming to the on-screen calculator, TCS is going to provide the standard and scientific calculator to use in the examination. That is, the complex calculations can be done by using the standard, and trigonometric type of identities and function type of identities are going to use with this scientific calculator. Next, coming to the important instructions to each and every people, that is the things not to do during the examination. What are the things not to do during the examination? That is, do not cover the webcam or don't switch off the webcam during the examination. Next, connect your system with a proper network connection. If there is a disconnection of network, there is a chance to reconnect again after 15 minutes, and this chance is given for 2 times only. Try to identify this. Using of the screening, that is the screen mirroring and screen casting is not entertained. That is, using of TeamViewer or remote desktop application is not entertained. Don't consume eatables before the screen. Okay, that is Nothing but don't consume eatables before the screen. Kindly have a look of it. See, actually, the consuming of eatables before the screen is not entertaining. Next, if required, you can drink the water, but try to be carry a bottle with a transparent color. Okay. Next, don't wear mask. Don't change your seating position during the examination. Don't use any cell phones before the screen or calculator before the screen. Next, don't talk with anyone and don't allow others to sit during the examination. Don't minimize or close the browser till the examination is completed. These are the things which you have to keep in mind, and these are the things which you are not allowed to do during the examination. Next, the things we have to do after the examination. See, the people who pick remote option as your examination center, these are the things you have to keep in mind. That is the maximum submission, sorry, manual submission of responses to questions by pressing the submit button after completion of exam. Next, that is you have to press the manual submission of each and every question. Next, do click on exit assessment after successful submission of examination to close the browser. Browser will close automatically after 2 to 3 minutes. If not, press right shift plus escape button to close the browser on your keyboard. Do wait for browser to close. Okay, don't close the browser forcefully. Next, restart the system after completion of examination to reset the settings made during the examination. See, if you want to write the examination on your computer, it will ask for settings. In order to reset those settings after completion of examination, please restart your system. Next, see, keep in mind, you can achieve anything in life. It just depends upon how desperate you are to achieve it. So, Hyphatrix channel, wishing you all the best for your TCS and QT. As long as you have got passion, faith, and willing to work hard, you can do anything in your life. No doubt. Next, for placement related stuff, do share, subscribe, and press the bell icon and subscribe to Hyphatrix channel. Thank you everybody for watching this video. For any doubts, feel free to contact at tejabanu63 at the rate of gmail.com or 9581338812 is my WhatsApp number.